2020 changed everything. The massive factories of the free world created an unexpected change in humanity as they polluted our atmosphere. Some people called it faith, some called it luck. Those of us who were lucky remained normal, wasn't affected at all by all this corrupted air that gave us various abilities. Scientists searched for a cure but only made things worse. Man-made vaccines changed our DNA. Those of us who were altered got various powers, some of which were almost godlike. Gods, yes or no. I have the badge to take them down if they step out of line. It's ironic. We are a product of pollution, but yet they call us chosens.
My favorite minister. An opportunity has presented itself for you to make millions. Just see to it that the oil gets to the second city by daybreak and prepare for another shipment in the next 2 days. Oil is the leading source of power, King. We must see to it that it remains that way.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
There's an intruder at the back entrance of Mr. King's property. Approach with caution. Intruder appears to be armed.
Yeah, I spotted.
John, the boy run down the blow lane, you know. Back him up on the other side.
Catch a boy, and I know if it all.
Sorry. I want dopey.
Hey boy, in a year for stop and take police for idiot. Oh no.
Welcome to 24 Hours Watch. Minister King has been on the losing side of environmentalists for over a decade. On our quest for better and faster energy, it is apparent that we are destroying our environment. These are the words of environmentalist Devon Marsh. He strongly believes that there are far more safer energy available to us than fuel energy. He had posted a petition regarding wind and solar panel distributions to begin with Sun City, but that was slapped aside by Minister King. The people are wondering if his action could be because of the losses he would endure in his oil investments. Minister King, among others, are blaming the fire at Jamcalco a few days ago on Devon Marsh as he incites violence against his company. However, we are thankful for our firemen at Sun City for their swift actions in dousing the flames, and also the brave Chosons who assisted them. On the lips of almost every citizen in Sun City. Who is this masked protector? Is he also a Chosen or just some steroid muscle jock wearing an exosuit that enhances his strength? Whoever he is, we owe him our gratitude as he single-handedly captured pathogen after he broke out of the Null facilities. Word just in the hero calls himself Jamaican. One would have think so as he adorned himself with all the colors of the national flag. Though pathogen is without critical parts of his cybernetic body, he is still classified as highly dangerous and have been moved into a neutralizing chamber where his powers are constantly being dampened. Pathogen aka Dr. Patterson was one of Kingston's strongest minds in physiology. It wasn't until he lost his only son in a clinical experiment that led Patterson to take revenge and gas the doctors who experimented on his son along with himself. Up next, sighting of a demon riding a motorcycle. Some says he is a rolling calf, others say he is a myth. What do you say? Demon or myth?
Central Island is once again fitted with heroes. Men and women who are willing to risk their lives for the survival of others. Through selflessness, these people are motivated.
I hope Captain now coming up boring speech, man.
Country. We gather here today to acknowledge such a hero. The man who just last week risked his life defending justice in this great country. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you Detective Ivory Chan.
I find myself in a spot where I was cornered by two gang members.
Detective Chan, what were your immediate actions after you realized that you were
I
cornered?
had to shoot my way out. Both men were armed and dangerous.
You missed the target. We have another assignment for you.
Yo, wagwan dog. Hey, where you say elephant? You know, say the place tense. Yeah, man, what? Be a police in a place, you know, because of the shooting that one last week. I'm taking the youth in the area for God, man.
You wanna make we pass back and see on the sign. Bunch of delinquents.
All officers are required to report for the Rockford Power Plant.
We need clean energy. 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 We need clean energy.
I'm plan out as planning. But we must stop the delivery of them trucks too.
Me not stand be foolishness, and you know that. So him could not go out with all them things there and live under my roof. Him was a good boy, Sarge. They making my son look like a gunman. Him never hold a gun in his life. You mad? And stay away. Before that, me broke him to and them. Me can't trust the police, Sarge. Me come to you because me know you. Taffy, you're innocent.
What do you say to someone who has lost everything, including their faith in their country's justice system?
We find it on the scene, you know, right on the boy chest. Imprint and everything did upon it. As far as I can tell, it's an open and closed case.
Any shots fired from it?
No, it have a full clip when we discover it.
Detective Chan said the lane was dark. Him know said the boy had a gun and there was no shot fired. You not find that strange?
Something just not add up to me. No need for formalities. Call me Sarge.
Your father must glad when him find out so you join police force. Cause I'm sure he can did want make him name your Sarge.
Actually, he wanted a girl, so he could call her Sargale after my grandmother.
This told me driver just call and tell me say you tell him say he mustn't come in today. I want to drive a truck. And the other driver them no reach it neither. Me can't deal with this.
These trucks are Tricon Services property. They are fully automated and will deliver your goods where you need them. All you have to do is program their route. You won't get anything faster than these.
The trucks that you are securing are designed to run on the Earth's polaric energy. So is this vehicle. Nothing else outside of the room here can run on EPE. King has a lot of faith in the two of you. That is why Uno are going to lead this little escapade. And for additional security, there is 2 other officers trailing behind. But Doc, the modified vehicles running on EPE can go up to 600 miles per hour. How a regular vehicle can manage that? That vehicle is similarly modified. The only drawback is they are on wheels.
From the wrong that you do, you need to try something new. You need to make a way, cause he's coming. You think you can run fast, you better can run fast. You think you can drive fast, you better can drive fast. Think you can swim fast, you better can swim fast. You think you can fly fast, better can fly fast. The man I From the wrong that you do, you need to try something new. You need to make a way, cause he's coming.
Five sensors activated, sir. And night vision fully engaged.
Yo, eat that palm to your light! Yo, me general, that's why me not like them dark hills here, you know, it's a rolling cab that just passed me, you know? Lord Jesus!
Sarge, there's an explosion on the highway. 2 guys just disappeared off the scene.
Big man thing. You know, the detective Hunter come by the lab today and investigate about the shooting.
Look like the boy father go to him. Not say nothing. Him time soon come.
Sarge, there's a bike on Highway 95 doing 260 miles per hour towards the convoy.
A biker. Then I think I'm me alone upon wheels. Call King. Tell him to direct the convoy off the highway. We have to prevent casualties. How that? What?
Are you a talk to me squad about my boy? Me I go show you how we do it in farmer.
Damn! The brother you now, Joe. You mean business?
Coming. We have fire on the highway. The leg between Sun City and Kingston. King just lose one impressions, truck. What the hell you mean them blow up the truck?
That's the report I got, sir. Sarge, I'm a Detective Hunter. Is requesting your drivers to be
Those truck won't be stopped for anyone. Is that clear?
But that would be dangerous, sir. Sarge, I'm a Detective Hunter.
That is final, Miss Daly. What the hell is happening? I need all threats regarding my truck them eliminated at once. Is that clear?
Coming. Did you get the registration on the bike, huh?
It's almost impossible to trace with the type of technology we use. Plus, all his lights and gauges are off. We can't even see the color of his clothes. It looks like he needs a high-tech and far more sophisticated type of engine designed for sales.
One bike boy I follow you know. Yo, you hear what King say? We are gonna done him. Yo, welcome to the squaddy. Yo, take out everybody in the business with casualty. Yo, we are here, Martha. Know them head, what you think? Idiot, here, Martha, the wheel. First you stop them, then you bust them head.
How would you get your shoot say?
One of the bike man alone them boy I shoot off of. Hell man.
Detective Sarge Hunter.
Excuse me, me never get your name.
I didn't give it.
Off the bike. Now who are you and what you want with them truck then?
The question you need to ask, detective, is what Minister King want with them truck there.
Oh no, you want a deal, a trade off, you for the disc?
No, consider this a goodbye present.
Just a diversion, the trade of a chosen. Now I'm left holding the bag, or in this case, the bike and a disc.
Miss Stone, could you explain to us the reason for your involvement with Jam Cargo?
It has been a rough night. I need to get home and relax. Xayma fell ill shortly after his battle with Dr. Pattis. I wonder how he's feeling now. Let me call the Guardian and find out more. Hi, Guardian. How is Xayma doing? Is he feeling any better?
Xayma fell in a one coma 3 days ago. I'm not sure when or if he might come out of it.